everybody, we are here in Oklahoma City. I have unloaded. Now I'm over here to reload at Advanced Polybag. He told me to put 2 straps in the back of the trailer and he will come get me when he's ready for me. But I have got to find an air leak. I've got to turn the truck off, set my trailer brake, yeah, I hear air just a pissing from back here somewhere. Dang it. Ugh. Yeah, I've got to find that airline that is leaking, because it is definitely pretty freaking bad. I'm wondering if it's that's catching it. But yeah, when I push on the brake, I can absolutely hear it. So I definitely need to find that and get that fixed. But the downside is, unless you've got somebody that can hold the brake and push on it, wow, you're Lord, get in there, get in there. Ugh. I got my 2 straps. Don't put 2 straps back here. But unless you can have someone push on the brake so you can track where it's coming from, kind of hard to do, if you know what I mean. But it's not the trailer. I noticed it last night after I left the TA from getting the work done on the truck. I noticed it going back to the thing. So yeah, somehow I've got to be able to find something but I can push on this and hold this shut or open or down so I can find it. Anyway, y'all, we'll holler at y'all in a little bit. Says I'm 34.8. Yeah, a tad heavy. Just a tad, y'all. So I need to slide the tandems a little bit. Tie my shoe. Okay, we still sitting at 34.8. So we need to put a tad more on. I don't think that caught, y'all. Okay, it has straps there. Must be another strap somewhere else because he asked for 2. Must be one on the front side over there. Whew, Lord. Yeah, see, these locks, pins didn't go in. So, I guess I'm not gonna worry about axling out right now. I'll wait until I get to the repair shop. So I'm going to a repair shop and then we'll get them done there, y'all. Have a good day. Papas. Oh, hi. Boom.
I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get it, no call it quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way, cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all of this. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. My heart on my sleeve, stress, shield my greed. That's how I get it, success ain't no giving. Some days I don't eat, I don't sleep. When I'm focused, I'm dangerous. They don't wonder when I'm anxious. Ain't no limit till I tank. I'm running on fumes. The opposition don't amaze. The roads racing through the pavement. Get your hands out of my bag. I know that's because I've been in it. I don't need the brag. I guess that's what happens when you taking care of your business. Plus a family, you do the math. I'm out of my pocket. Houston, we got a problem, man. Perfect, let them watch me elevating. Got them nauseous, cause I'm the pilot in the cockpit. Nose diving in the housing. Woo! Watch out, get ahead. Watch out, get ahead. Watch out, get ahead. Woo! Watch out, set it up. Bet you I shut it down. Watch out, get a win. I don't think they really wanna come against the winner. Got a finger run up in on a grenade. I ain't never been there when you think you compare. I'm a line, but the winner about the cage. I need all the wins.
What's up, everybody? We are here. We are turning here the light to come back here to the Publix facility. Back here. And at the end of the road down here somewhere, we make a right and then we bam into Publix. I guess where that truck just turned. Yeah. Right lane must turn right, so I guess this is where I go. I'm a guessing this is it. Yes.
Turn right.
Let's see which one. No trucks this entrance. Use the second entrance. Okie dokie. We'll use the second one. But Google reviews said you can park here, so I'm bringing my little happy butt on in here to park for the night. Let's see. All trucks use this right lane. Associates get the middle lane. Other ones get that lane. So yeah. Well, it's one of these deals, y'all. We stop up here. I guess I'm better grabbing me my wallet because they were probably asking for that. Of course, the middle truck Truck lane, use next gate. Stop at first gate. So yeah, we're gonna stop here, y'all. And then we're gonna walk up with the bills and see what they say. Publix trucks get this middle lane, y'all, so I'll be back. All right, everybody. Very nice. She told me to come right over here. See, she says I'm right here. Follow the road, come up here, make the first right. Pull into the staging lot right over here. I can park anywhere over here in the staging lot. Then when I come out the staging lot, make a right and go check in around the high velocity area, it says, and at 6:30 they'll give me a door. So sweet, very simple, easy to check in. This place has overnight parking. I mean, that is like super cool. Super cool, super cool. I mean, there's trucks parked all in here, so hey, I can just come on in here, pick me a place and pull on in here. That's sweet, 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 sweet. Do 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 do.